Mama, guess what?
What?
Remember the snow globe I got from
Yeah.
last year?
Uh-huh.
We're doing another one.
Ooh.
So we're doing this. So we did this. Like that.
Wow.
Mama, can I make a snow angel?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you hold my doll?
Sure.
Let me make snow angel.
Whoopsie.
No, I don't like that.
All right, go let her out.
Look!
Let's see. Wow, you guys did such a great job. Wow, Darius.
That looks like a butterfly.
Oh, and here comes Scarlett.
Oh, that looks and here comes my pants. You make a snow angel. I might go back. Her pants. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Just don't hit anyone in the face with a snowball.
Oh my dolly. I don't want to get her. It's okay if I get her hair with snow.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna make snow hair. Did you ever make snow angel? I already made one. Again? Did it like that was my face.
I didn't turn the bag, I turned the bag. You okay? What?
That was mean.
I didn't hit her, I hit her in the back.
Ah,
Guys, come here. Who did it? Me?
Darius, did
Was
you
it me?
throw a
No,
snowball?
I'm not. Was. But it was just little
Put
snowball.
your face on.
No, that's wet.
I can't.
Where's my dog?
Right there. In the snow. Making the snow.
Look at Scarlett's face. She's got snow on her mouth. Scarlett.
Scarlett.
This is a fun Christmas. That's our face.
You okay?
What is she doing? Did she catch it in her mouth?
Mom, this is a fun Christmas.
Yeah, it's not Christmas. Fun winter?
Yeah, fun winter.
Oh, Scarlett. Oh.
She's on the road.
He got tackled by the dog. Okay, Arianna? Dog tackled. Look at pace.
You make the snow angel.
You're supposed to feel wet when you're done.
Wow.
I can't because I can't make a snow angel. There's no more snow to make one. Keep recording the dog. Keep recording the dog.
She eats them.
Scarlett!
Scarlett!
Bacon!
Scarlett, come here.
Bacon! This is for Christmas! This is for holidays! Throw me in the snow!
I'm not.
Darius. So you guys want to take a nice warm bath when we get in?
Yeah. I think Scott likes this kisses. My chin kind of hurt.
Oh.
You know how to make her one? That's not how you make one.
Just throw it at me.
I know you gotta take it, Arianna.
Just throw it at me.
You gotta take the ball, you gotta take it.
Oh, okay.
Wait, guys, be careful. There's a car. There's a car over there. Be careful, because they're coming around.
Come here, Scarlett.
Watch
Scarlett.
Darius move.
Scarlett, come here. Scarlett.
Can you give this little ball to me?
Okay.
This little ball to me.
You gotta roll the ball in a...
Thank you.
Thanks.
Wait.
Mom, can you untie this and put it on put my hood up? Can you untie? Can you just put my hood up? Grab both my ears, around my ear.
Face it.
Scarlett! Scarlett just tackled Darius.
I catch one.
Let me see you catch another one.
Yeah. The net.
Arianna, it doesn't hurt. It's snow.
I said no, not because,
This is for
Can you
Darius.
give it to me? Can you give it to me? For me? To hold it?
Are your hands cold? Yeah, run!
Hi, Scarlett. Scarlett. Scarlett.
Scarlett, stop! Scarlett! 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 Scarlett!
My dog.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh. Come on, guys.
Go,
Move.
go.
No, not yet.
Daddy's pulling it.
I'll go over here.
No, go over here. He's going over there. Darius, come here. Darius. Arianna.
Scarlett, stop! Scarlett!
Scarlett.
Scarlett!
She's such a fucking idiot.
Scarlett,
Like, what is she gonna do?
Come here!
Daddy!
Come here!
Who's that? Oh, I smell McDonald's as soon as you open up that car door.
Afraid of the snow?
No, she's playing in it. All right, come on, let's go in and eat.
And then we can go back to playing?
I guess.
Yeah!